Oh my gosh. And now they're gonna blockade them. Admiral Yi, you are... Wow.
영트의 리액션.
What is going on?
God, dude, I think you just need some water.
Yeah, he needs water.
I
He
mean,
needs to be
one of you guys,
hydrated.
y'all should get him some water, like for real. Y'all just like letting him die.
I mean, maybe it's his time. Maybe he's ready to go.
Yeah.
Are we gonna be seeing his life?
Yeah,
I don't know
maybe.
if we're gonna be going back in time. Yeah. Been such a long time. Or
Toyotomi Hideyoshi. Withdraw our forces? Wow, his last dying wish.
taking some notes. Character names.
Trying to sit up.
Ooh.
Oh, jeez.
Ooh, a hatred. Huh?
I think he was trying to use the force.
He's gonna deny him his dying wish, isn't he? Lord Chancellor. So his last wish was to withdraw his forces on the lunar month of August, 1598. He died and his final command was to withdraw.
그렇게 도요토미 히데요시가 조선에서 철병하라는 유언을 남기고 절명하자 조선과 명예연합군은 울산 사천 순천에 외성을 쌓고 은거한 네 곳을 동시에 공격하는 사로병진 전략을 실행합니다.
Dang. That was an awesome blockade. 350 ships. Wow. The ships were unable to evacuate. That is awesome. This is a different actor. Why? All three movies have different actors. Dang.
그러자 뇌물을 주며 진린을 회유하러 찾아온 아리마.
Ming Naval Base, Jiang Island. Oh, he's asking for reinforcement. Does he accept your gift? Ming Naval Commander Chen Lin. Hey, it's the way he said it, though.
War also comes at a price, so.
I mean,
Peace comes at a price. Go, dude. But then again, I don't think anything he would say would convince him.
하지만 고니시는 진리는 돌아가야 할 본국이 있다며 다시 연락선을 보냅니다.
These are great movies.
한편 이순신 장군님은 칠천량해전에서 전사한 전라우수사 이억기의 판옥선을 보게 됩니다.
영감의 전선이었다 했느냐?
네, 그렇습니다. 칠천량 전투 이후에 떠다니던 것을 이제야 인양하게 되었습니다.
So you recovered the ship.
이 수사께서는 누구보다 용감히 끝까지 싸우다가 바다에 투신했다 합니다.
He threw himself into sea. A captain has to go down with his ship, though.
이만하면 충분히 기동할 수 있다. 이 판옥 전선을 대장선으로 삼자.
Wow, it shall be our flagship.
부터 우리와 함께 다시 싸울 것이다.
R.I.P. Admiral Lee. So it went from recovered to flagship. Yeho, the eldest son.
그리고 고니시의 뇌물을 받은 진리는 이순신을 설득하려 합니다.
Let the enemy leave.
이만 적들을 놓아주자 합니다. 장군께서는 이미 충분한 공을 세우셨다고.
다시 말하리다.
Let me be clear.
대장이 되어 화친을 말할 수 없으며 절대 이대로 원수를 놓아보낼 생각도 없어.
Is this the name of this is kanji, right?
이만 가리다. 일들이 급해졌어.
Wow. No, he's trying to win the war. Oh, he's gonna get angry. You're trying to get under his skin. Don't talk about his son. Wow. You saw his eyes, right? Oh, he saw the gold.
Holy.
Holy crap.
That's messed up. That's fucked up. What's your end goal?
What is
Just
this?
keeping it as trophies, I guess?
What is this?
이들은 우리 백성들이요.
These are Juson people.
절대 외적이 아니요.
Yeah, he recognizes his people.
동주 스파업이 판이죠, 마.
부역자들을
He's gaslighting him. Why did they collect heads though?
들을 살려보내고 죄 없는 백성들을 죽인단 말인가?
Because he is the enemy. Yeah, he got you.
说都没说，
You are right.
可是同志是圣上这样，还有意见。
What caveat?
Emperor gave you power. Yeah. And he's using it to do pretty much whatever.
Yeah.
不用看你家。
Yeah, they're gonna die. Anyone who defies them, yeah.
不是，
He's threatening Admiral Yi. That's not a good move. Dude, he's stepping back. This guy is afraid of Admiral Yi.
죽는 것은 아깝지 않다. 허나 대장이 되어 적을 놓아주고 우리 백성을 죽일 수는 없지 않겠나?
Wow. Yeah, what do you think, bro? What do you think about that?
조명연합 함대는 오늘로 해체하겠어.
He will.
同志是
What you mean? You just threatened him.
단독 출정할 것이다.
예, 장관.
Wow. They broke alliance with China. Yeah, you're not in control anymore.
단독 출정할 것이다.
예, 장관.
한편 아리마는 시마즈에게 곤니시가 탈출할 수 있게 원군을 보내달라고 간청하는데
まさに今李春心の討ち取らねばなりませぬ。
Their biggest wish is to destroy Admiral Yi.
ますでしょうか。さぞ家康とてあえてどうすることもできますまい。
Yeah, they're trying to put power in his head.
小西小弱しの
How clever of you, Konishi.
わしを島津様とまて
Yep, he's glazing.
李春心
It's gonna work. I think it's gonna work.
主人の用意じゃ。
Prepare for battle.
順天城へ向かう。
Wow. Wow, bro. He managed to turn the war around.
I was like, yo, were they in water this whole time?
Yes. Wow. Yeah, that's definitely CGI. But it looks great.
Dang, look at how many ships. Dude, this is getting bigger and bigger, man.
그리고 조선 수군의 전략을 들어보러 온 진린
明朝人的水师尚未解散，我也听听。
Let us hear your battle plan.
아직 해체되지 않았으니 자기도 한번 들어보겠다 합니다.
Is he gonna share his plans?
적선의 규모는 총 500여 척으로
500 ships.
입니다. 저희가 위치한 장
Their largest fleet.
进入光阳湾。哼，但看这情形，貌似敌军进来攻击。
Will they not?
당장이라도 쳐들어올 것 같다고 합니다.
오늘 밤이요.
How do you know? Well, he has spies.
如此逼近封锁，倒是如何打算？ 앞뒤로 적을 맞아 싸울 수 없으니 봉쇄선을 풀 수밖에 없을 텐데 그 방안에 대해서 묻고 있습니다.
He really wants the blockade to be lifted, doesn't he? He really does. It's always in the strait.
남해도 노량에서 적들을 맞이할 것이요.
noryang Strait.
암안개를 타고 노량으로 올 것이다. 노량에서 대적하다 해가 뜨기 전까지 필히
You have until sunrise.
이곳까지 끌고 내려와 섬멸시켜야 한다.
He wants to lure them again. He wants to ambush them. Is it a good plan?
500 ships.
I mean, geez, yeah.
저것들로 적들을 오래 속일 수는 없을 것이다.
Yeah, we're gonna catch on fast.
걱정하지 마십시오.
I feel like you gotta be hella quick about all
Yeah.
this. I'm just thinking, couple hundred years later, yo man, they would have loved submarines.
Submarines,
I
yeah.
mean, to be able to get out here.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, these are scenes from the first movie. So these are the tales of Admiral Yi, right? Oh, is he gonna die in this movie? This is a memorable scene. I can't read, but I understand. Oh, he's burning it. Why? Don't burn historical documents. He likes burning stuff, doesn't he?
Are you trying to move on?
Yeah, I
Maybe
think
forget
that's what
about it,
is,
move
yeah.
on, or like, okay, it's done.
I think it's like a let it go type of situation.
I mean, yeah, that's fair, especially in stuff like this.
그렇게 부하들을 먼저 보내고 기도를 합니다.
모두가 한 마음으로 바라나니 부디 적들을 남김없이 무찌르게 해주소서. 이 원수를 갚을 수만 있다면
For the sake of revenge.
여한이 없을 것입니다.
Oh, but you're gonna take everyone with you. Is he actually doing it for revenge, though?
그리고 노량으로 접근해오는 시마즈군.
Oh my gosh. 500 ships.
Yeah, for sure. That is a lot. It's a lot.
Like how we're giving us a character at least a little bit. I mean, your enemies.
The currents are quickening. The name of this movie is
상도했습니다, 장군.
적들은 어디쯤이냐?
2시 진점 창선도로 출발했다 하니 곧 노량의 모습을 드러낼 것입니다.
the noryang Strait.
Maybe covered up by the mist too.
Is it just gonna appear out of nowhere?
Oh yeah.
And
Are they
then-
gonna get called?
And we're gonna see a huge.
Yup. They're gonna be
huge
like,
flame.
what the fuck?
It goes from one to
Yeah,
like hundreds.
to a bunch. Come on.
난자.
Ooh, is it a bomber? Or is it, oh, it's a sign. It's to measure distance. Oh my gosh!
Oh!
Oh!
Oh my
Oh,
god!
that's how intimidating. Oh shit. Okay.
Yo, that ain't arrows, they're cannonballs, damn.
Yeah, that's gotta be cannonballs.
Flaming cannonballs. Yes.
Yep,
there you go.
that is cannons.
There you go.
Yep, that is cannons.
And-
Holy crap.
That's crazy, bro. All soldiers, prepare for battle. The only thing he says is Admiral Yi's name.
부선들을 내보내라.
Let's go. The turtle ships.
Oh, is that a battling ram? It kind of seems
Yeah,
like...
it looks like it.
Oh shit, yo. This
Yeah,
one
yeah.
goes straight ahead. Look at that.
Dude, this movie is insane. Long range. Yeah, bro, what did you expect? They weren't relief. Oh, he is gonna give it to him. Full speed ahead. Oh my gosh. Dude, and this isn't even the climax of the movie. What a great production.
Yeah, you're right. It is a battling
Oh,
ram.
I mean,
Yo,
that's hella badass.
that's badass.
Yeah,
That,
we thought
oh my god. That's
Yeah.
badass.
It just rams into other ships. It's a tank. It's a tank on water. Mekarabune. Oh, you were the one who burnt it. Ah, yeah, of course they rebuilt it. Wait, you have your own? The Ming fleet is there too. Are you afraid now?
But that's what I don't like about these leaders is that they don't care about like the casualties. Like
No.
our dudes are gonna die, our soldiers are gonna die. It doesn't matter.
Yep,
Like,
charge forth.
sacrifice them.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, I think the Ming fleet is going to betray them.
삼선 탄옥선들을 내보내라.
예, 장군.
Oh my gosh, do you think they're gonna attack Admiral Yi? That is amazing formation. Dude, in this movie, everyone is prepared. Oh my gosh. Throw the jars. Jars of fuel, right? Oil. So they burn it.
Oh no.
And then
Oh
you
no.
light it on
Yep,
fire.
and then you light it on fire.
Are they gonna? They're gonna retreat. They're gonna come back
Yeah.
and then light it on
Yeah.
fire. Yes. Okay. Okay. Flaming arrows.
Yep.
What do you mean it cannot be? The tide has turned to your favorite? Stop the ships now. The wind has turned. Oh, so the arrows go further. That's amazing. Dang, they got the backwind. Oh my gosh. They even got that right. Oh my goodness, this is so entertaining.
그리고 미래의 천국 미사일이 될 신기전이 발사됩니다.
Fire. Oh my gosh, the VFX, it's crazy.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, dang! Holy crap!
This is a lot better than Archers.
Wow.
Okay, there
Yeah,
you go.
that's a lot. Yeah, that's
how-
doing the most.
Oh, it's like fireworks. but
Yeah.
like little
Yeah, yeah,
explosives.
yeah.
Okay.
And they used to use fireworks back in the day.
또 미래의 현무 미사일이 될 수도 있는 불을 붙인 대장군전이 나옵니다.
He already did the cannons. Oh wow, what is that? What is that?
Oh, that seems kind of like a mix of both.
Yes.
Okay,
Did
okay,
this
but
actually
GoPro shot.
exist? Holy shit!
That is crazy. That's a missile.
That can actually sink a ship.
Oh my god!
'Cause I'm
Holy shit! Yeah, because it's like
Kinda
the
like-
it looks like the weight of a cannon.
Kind of like early missiles. Yo, he's focused in.
Yo, this man
He's
is
dialed in.
dialed
Okay.
in.
He respects that. My gosh. Did they have a way to cannon oil barrels? Because that would be an interesting strategy too.
我らの本陣の後ろ立花後続までもがすでについております
They're not going to retreat.
面白いやつではないのか
Amusing.
捕獲した朝鮮の顔を据えて備えさせろ
は殿
Yeah, the cannons. He doesn't care. He doesn't care. Yeah, he wants to. He wants to sacrifice his own men. Guys, you're killing your own men. To clear way. Oh my gosh. They're shooting against you. The front line always suffers. Yeah, you're dead, man. They're sacrificing their own men so that they can keep going because they don't want to retreat.
Dang.
And there he goes.
And that's it. Yep, just go through the
Just
fleet.
so they could go
Yep.
through, yeah. Turtle ships are back.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, I like these ships. Just going through.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Spiked up, yeah.
적의 대장선을 노린다 놈들의 숨통을 끊어야 된다
Go for the kill.
일세인의 운다
Oh no, not the turtle ships.
대신 대장선을 잡아야 한다 오산포를 전
They're going straight to the flagship. Because if you kill the commander, then you weaken their forces. This is a suicide mission. Oh, they sunk the turtle ship. Wow, this is a very big morale boost for them. Sinking the turtle ship. Yeah, they won that battle. They lost the turtle ship.
도착했기다
This is incredible. I don't know how Navy attacks works nowadays, but back in the day, it was crazy. I think now we have submarines, missiles, and stuff like that, right? But this combat is insane. I have to know the budget of this movie. This is some Hollywood level stuff here, man.
한편 진리는
This is too fierce. Oh my gosh.
전군의 진격을 명하라
All ships advance. He's ready to die.
Also, yeah, they gotta communicate like ship
Yeah.
to ship, kind of like telephone, you know,
Yeah.
one to the other, just.
But it is also to say something on how much, you know, like respect you have to have for your leaders in command, because you don't get like a double take of the order.
All ships charge. Full speed ahead. Oh my gosh, what a movie. Oh, I love the archers. I've mentioned this in the previous two movies. I have watched a video of how they make from scratch with their own hands this Korean bow. It's too much fierce. All of this was what? A distraction? Oh wow, that was a distraction. Wow. His enemy is our enemy. Destroy every ship. He's attacking without orders. Yeah. He made a promise to Admiral Yi. Who is this man? You didn't expect this, did you? Yes, that is true. Oh, he's gonna die. The main... Oh, bro! He's gonna die. He's gonna die. Ming, whose side are you on? I know if this was his intention. Cut out his tongue. Wow. Oh my gosh, he's gonna die. Dude, these guys have no patience. Attack, bro. What made you change your mind? I must see it for myself. Oh, he loves the adventure. There we go. He came through for Admiral Yi. After all, this is a Yi.
Yep.
Yep.
Louder. It would be kind of cool, like on a ship, being the one.
Oh
just
yeah.
in the middle of a fight, just retreating.
Yeah,
like that.
retreat. Crazy also how they can like maneuver those ships. Like you see how they're able to just like rotate and all that. It's cool. No, but don't assume that they're retreating to leave. They're not doing that. Don't assume.
It ain't an easy fight. It ain't gonna be that easy.
It's definitely a trap. Do not follow them. They want to attack you by the rear, as we saw earlier in the movie.
쫓지 말라. 전 함선들에게 전했습니다.
I don't think they're gonna follow you. So why did you start without him? Oh, his tongue got cut off. I do feel sorry for him. See? Oh, it's an ambush. Oh, this is... Oh! Oh my gosh! This was Admiral Yi's plan all along. The enemy will not be fooled for a long time. Oh, it actually worked. Oh my gosh. And now they're gonna blockade them. Admiral Yi, you are... Wow.
I mean, go on the land. That's it, but y'all are gonna be stuck in a corner.
Yeah.
Huge fleet.
They're
on
literally
the corner.
stuck on the corner. I gotta say, it is interesting kind of seeing naval battles like this. I don't think I've really seen any movies with stuff like this.
암안개를 타고 노량으로 올 것이다. 해가 뜨기 전까지 필히.
We have until sunrise.
내려와 섬멸시켜야 한다.
That is insane. And it worked according to plan. That is awesome. That is awesome. Even I was fooled. I knew the plan and I was fooled.
영트의 리액션.